Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Enphase IQ EV charger setup step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have your Enphase IQ EV charger and compatible smartphone or tablet ready. Start by opening the App Store on your device. Search for the Enphase app. Once you find it, tap on download or install. Wait for the installation process to complete. After the app is installed, open it on your device. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section within the app. Select Add Charger to begin the setup process. Make sure your IQ EV charger is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. The app will search for available chargers. When it finds your charger, select it from the list. Follow the prompts to connect the charger to your account. You may need to enter some basic information about your installation location. After entering the necessary details, review and confirm the settings. Once confirmed, the app will finalize the charger setup. You will receive a notification once the setup is complete. At this point, you can begin using your Enphase IQ EV charger. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features and settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.